Hello everyone, this is Johnny, and today's video we're going to be making an Italian sausage pasta in garlic wine sauce from Costco. My mom and I have had this before and it's very delicious, but today we're going to have my mom teach you how to make it, or just go through the steps of it. And she's going to use the oven. Actually, in Chinese cooking, uh, ovens are rarely used. I mean, maybe today they're used more often, but in the past, ovens don't exist in China, and it doesn't really exist in the food. Maybe if you're making some kind of pastry, then maybe you can use an oven. But in the dishes that people eat all the time, yeah, it's not used. So as you can see, it's really a lot of food, and we're obviously going to have leftovers, and it's pretty expensive, $18, but it's really really good, and it's there's a lot of it. So yeah, okay. So my mom's gonna teach you how to make it.
Hi everyone. First have to preheat the oven. Okay. Today is my first time, so I have on my notes here. Okay, preheat. 10 minutes. Okay, let's wait 10 minutes. Then we have to turn the oven to 400. Let preheat. Okay. While the preheating of the oven, cover the pasta. To seal the juice might come out. Okay, and then have to put on another tray. Yeah, the reason same. Let the juice, if leaking the juice, just on top of the tray. Okay, now is the time to put the pasta inside the oven in the middle tray. And close it. Have to timer again. So 6:28 will be open the oven at 7:28. Okay, it takes 50 to 60 minutes, so it's 7:24, almost ready. Turn off the temperature first, and okay. Ooh. Looks good. Wow, look at that. They have spinach, tomato. So hot.
Okay. Okay, let's try.
Very tasty.
Very delicious.
White sauce. Very
So,
good.
Hopefully next time you can try this, or
Mm-hmm.
go to Costco.
So good.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Just please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thank you.
Hey, thank you.